In this video, we are going to discuss about the price of BTC. Right now, it is 21,686, and as per my own opinion, soon the price of BTC will pump up to 22,500. Why I'm saying this thing? Because the major thing is this. 28th of August, Mt. Gox is going to give away some amount of BTC and also some amount of BCH. And from last 48 hours, number of USDT already transferred to Binance.us. So what is happening around the corner? It means that very soon, once the selling pressure will come towards the crypto market, the entire market will be manipulated at that time and the price of the BTC will pump, because most of the margin traders will open their short positions on 27th of August, and after that surely the price of the BTC will go vice versa and all the short positions will be liquidated. It is my own prediction. What you think, share with me in the comment section. Now we will move on to our major thing, that is the claim of the airdrop which I shared. So if you want to know more, stay tuned with us.
Feel uninvited.
So guys, exactly 4 days before I shared this airdrop, Dogechain. So if you already joined this airdrop, it is the time for all of us to claim this airdrop. So for claiming this airdrop, I will share the link of bridge.dogechain.dog airdrop. So only and only you have to click on this link and then you will be redirected on this page. First of all, you have to connect your metamask. Make sure this thing that you are connecting the same metamask by which you used the bridge, and also you used the swap of the Dogechain. So after connecting your metamask on the Dogechain, then you will see the option of the claim. Then you have to click on this link and easily the metamask will open, and then you have to sign that transaction and you will get your DC token. So right now the price of the DC token is not as much. At this time the price of this token is only 0.001, I think, but at this time the entire blockchain is booming. Here you can see the price of this altcoin is only 0.001, but very soon it will pump, because the entire idea of the Dogechain, the DC token, and also the Dogeswap is same like Uniswap and also same like Uniswap exchange. So it is our time to grab this airdrop. So what do you think? Share with me. And if you already joined this airdrop and if you are going to claim this airdrop, hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.